Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get any notifications of my next videos coming out, for any free offers I might have or anything you might find of interest in affiliate marketing. So subscribe to my channel like I've just said. And so guys, everything on this video requires no PayPal, no credit card, no details, credit card details or anything like that. Everything is absolutely free, and if you stick around till the end of the video, I've got an absolute mega bonus for you. If you need any traffic for your affiliate links or affiliate marketing, website, blog, YouTube, if you want some free traffic, I'm going to tell you where you can get that at the end of this video. Okay, so make online cash quick is what I've called this, and it's going to be a quick and easy tips to make extra cash and get rich quick now. So learn how to very quickly make money online. Now it will not rain, but it'll pour dollars. You can learn some easy traffic methods that will enhance your social image and change your life within, well, not seconds, but within a short space of time. So if you're interested, which I hope you are, if you're not making money online now, this is what you need to be doing. This is where we started and I started. So learn some easy to implement tactics on making money online very quickly, and you can do that in the luxury of your own home with your computer or laptop. Okay, so to get this, guys, you need to click the link below this video, but in order to claim your bonus as well, I'm going to give you 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to any website of your choice or any blog, affiliate link, anything like that. Okay, you can have that, no strings attached, with this Make Online Cash Quick system. Okay, so to get both of these packages, you need to click the link below this video and it'll send you to the Make Online Cash system. Okay, and that'll also get you 50,000 guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice. All right, and these are going to be drip fed on a daily basis. You don't get them all at once, and it'll take maybe up to a year to get them all in, but it's absolutely awesome free traffic. Okay, then that's all you have to do is input your details and away you go. No credit card, no PayPal, no credit card details or anything. Okay folks, so to receive my notifications of any other videos I bring out, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, I'm always bringing lots of free goodies out for you. So click that link below, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, put a comment in the box if you like. Okay friends, so stay safe and I'll see you in my next video.